How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 2.0 Backrest Actuator. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, 6mm Allen wrench, 13mm open wrench, wire cutter, and zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Grasping the side of the chair with both hands, gently tip the chair onto its right-hand side. Tilt the foot and calf massager toward the chair seat. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 5 screws that secure the outer plastic cover, then remove the cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 5 screws that secure the inner plastic cover. Tip the cover to the left to expose the actuator. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw and washer that secure the ground wire to the actuator. Using a 6mm Allen wrench and a 13mm open wrench, remove the nut and bolt that secure the front of the actuator. Pull the front of the actuator out of the mounting point, then remove the metal and plastic inserts. Using the same tools, remove the nut and bolt that secure the rear of the actuator. Holding the inserts in place, remove the actuator from the chair. Using a wire cutter, cut the zip ties that secure the bundled excess actuator cable. Pop the connector junction box cover off from the back. Finally, disconnect the actuator cable connectors. Now, let's replace it. Connect the new actuator cable to the white connector from the chair. Place the actuator cables into the junction box notches, then snap the junction box cover into place. Be sure not to pinch the cables when securing the junction box cover. Coil the excess cables, then use 3 new zip ties to secure the bundle. Cut the excess zip ties. Remove the twist tie that secures the rear actuator mounting point insert. While holding the insert in place with your fingers, place the rear mounting point into position on the chair. Replace the bolt from the top, then replace and hand tighten the nut. Use the 6mm Allen wrench and 13mm open wrench to finish securing the nut. Remove the twist tie that secures the front actuator mounting point insert. While holding the insert in place with your fingers, place the front mounting point into position on the chair. Replace the bolt from the bottom, then replace and hand tighten the nut. Use the 6mm Allen wrench and 13mm open wrench to finish securing the nut. Place the ground wire loop onto the ground wire screw, followed by the washer, then replace the screw to secure the ground wire to the chair. Place the inner plastic cover into position, making sure the sides are positioned behind the metal tabs, then replace and partially tighten the 5 screws. Be sure to place the metal plate into position before replacing the second and third screws from the top. Finish tightening the screws. Place the outer plastic cover into position, then replace and partially tighten the 5 screws. Finish tightening the screws. Grasping the side of the chair with both hands, return the chair to the upright position. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.